Home learning help brought to you by Together. In this clip, we're just going to have a look at quick calms. Things can be a little bit fraught if there's more than one person in a space. So here's some little activities that will hopefully help to bring calm back to your house. Let's have a look.
Find a wall and give it a push. This helps to calm the central nervous system, as does the next two activities we're going to look at. Get a drink and take a sip. Feel as the sip goes into your mouth, over your lips, onto your tongue. Really focus on that liquid in your mouth. Go for a walk. If you can do this outside, great. If not, in the house will be fine. Just start as quickly as you can, and then slow it down, and slow it down some more. So what else could you do for quick calms in your house? Well, it's probably not calm for a reason, so just try making a small change. Changing room, moving to a different space. So if you've been in one room for a long time, go to another one, change of scenery. Could change position in the room. Have you been sitting at a table for a long time? How about doing something lying on the floor? Even something like the lighting makes a difference. Is there enough? Is there too much? You could also change the activity. Perhaps it's just been too long spent on one thing. Try something else and go back to the other activity if you feel you need to. You could also change the demand. So if there's 5 questions to do, your young person's done 3, that could be okay for now. You can still go back to the other 2 at another time. Thank you for watching and good luck with your quick calms. Please look us up for more home learning help.